Hello traders, in this video you will get familiarized with Holistic Order Manager. Holistic Order Manager is a very simple looking but feature rich, very slick, extremely responsive and easy to operate expert advisor for MetaTrader platforms. But before we begin, let's clear a few points. Here in the Tools menu, click Options. This will bring up a window with several tabs. On the Expert Advisor tab, you make sure the very first choice, Allow Automatic Trading checkbox is selected and all the other three checkboxes under it are unchecked. This will allow your Expert Advisor to run smoothly if you change accounts. If you have multiple accounts with the brokers, then you can change accounts without Expert Advisor getting disabled. Same way, if you change a profile from one to another, a different layout, then your Expert Advisor will still keep running. And for that matter, on this chart, if you change the symbols from, let's say, Euro USD to GBP USD, the Expert Advisor won't get disabled. Or if you change any of the time frame for the current chart, it will keep running smoothly. Also, this second option, Allow DLL imports. Make sure that checkbox is also selected. Now on the Charts tab, to make sure this very first checkbox is not selected. The reason is, if Show Trade Levels is checked, and for example on Euro USD you have 3 trades running, then for each trade there will be 3 horizontal lines, one for the order entry price, one for the stop level, and one for the profit target. So for 3 trades in total, you will see 9 horizontal lines that will clutter your chart. For trading, it is essential that you can keep your chart as clean as possible so that you can make appropriate technical analysis and make buy or sell decisions. Also, if the lines are displayed and you by mistake drag it, it will change the stop loss or profit target for that order. You don't want that to happen by mistake. Press OK. Now to launch Holistic Order Manager Expert Advisor, click on Navigator tab, icon. It will bring up a window. Here, click on Holistic Order Manager. You can either click, drag it on the chart, or you can just double click here. This will open a parameter list. Right now we are keeping default values. Later on, user can change any of these parameters to their liking. In the beginning, trader will play around with all these parameter lists, and after several trial and error, they will come to the parameter list that they're going to use again and again for their trading according to their trading strategy or liking. Once they are okay with the parameter list, they can save so that on every time they open the Holistic Order Manager, they can launch with the same parameter list. In order to save it, you can simply press save and select a file name for the parameter list set. Press save. Right now it is existing, so I say okay to replace. Now, next time when they want to launch Holistic Order Manager with a preset, they can simply click load and select appropriate parameter list. Click select and open. It will populate this parameter list from the saved parameter list. As soon as they click OK, Holistic Order Manager will launch in the existing chart. It will first check for license and then bring up the Holistic Order Manager menu. Once the Holistic Order Manager is launched, you will notice here that there is a smiley face that indicates that Holistic Order Manager Expert Advisor is running properly. If you see a frown face, that means there is something wrong with Expert Advisor and you need to fix it. If you look on the top left corner, you will see a line ticking that indicates that the Expert Advisor is receiving a real-time tick. S with a colon and a number indicates the spread for Euro USD pair. Currently it is 0.8 pips, the spread difference between bid and ask. If you need to change the parameter list, any of the parameters, then you can simply open the Expert Advisor again by right clicking and select Expert Advisor and Properties. Another way is to just click on the smiley face and it will open the Expert Advisor parameter list. Now let's familiarize with the menu. Here, from the left edge of the chart to this white vertical line is what we call chart area. From the right edge to the vertical line is what we call workspace area. This vertical line, white vertical line, is what we call cursor line. Cursor line separates the chart from the workspace area, and in workspace area you will see a very simple menu. Holistic Order Manager has a very simple menu, but is very dynamic and feature rich. Holistic Order Manager has a collapsible menu. That means when a trader needs to make any trade or trade modification, only then they need to bring up this menu. If they are not making any changes or order entry and they don't want to see the menu but have their focus fully on the chart where they need to analyze and make buy or sell decisions, then they can collapse this menu. You see the main button on the top right corner. That orange button is show hide button. Right arrow indicates that when you click that, then the menu will collapse towards the right edge of the screen. Let's click it. As soon as you do that, the whole menu is hidden and the space occupied by menu is reclaimed by the chart. So chart covers the whole area. When a user, a trader, wants to enter a buy or sell order, let's say we analyze that current price are below this 21 period moving simple moving average. I come to the conclusion that I want to put a sell order on USD Euro USD currency pair. Then I can open the menu by clicking the left arrow. Let's click it. It will open the menu. When a trader wants to place a sell order, only they have to do, they can do that by just pressing one click. Let's say I want to place a sell order below the low of this bar, then I can press a control key and click at the price level where I want to enter a stop order, sell stop order. As soon as I do that, Holistic Order Manager will display order entry controls. Let's get familiar with each one of them one by one. This control in yellow is what we call stop entry control. Stop entry means if the current bid price goes at the price level or below, a sell order will be placed. So this is sell on a stop order. This control is what we call phantom stop. Phantom stop in Holistic Order Manager is hidden from the platform broker's platform. This platform or this stop is not visible to your broker or for that matter in the market. But for your trade, you actually want to get out of the market if price after entering a sell order goes above in opposite direction of your trade and reaches this price level. All the uh, risk reward calculations will be based on phantom stop for your order. This control in green is what we call profit target. Profit target is the level where the current price goes in your trade direction and reaches your order will be closed at profit. This control in red is hard stop. Hard stop is the price that is entered in your broker's platform for your order. This hard stop will be placed in a platform as a worst case stop. Sometime in a very fast moving volatile market, if holistic order manager is not able to close your order at a phantom stop, which is not visible in your broker's platform, your broker's platform will close your order at the hard stop. This price will be entered for your order in broker's platform and it will be visible in the market. This last control in aqua color is what we call limit entry. If the limit entry control, if it is behind the phantom stop, it is inactive and won't be in a play. But let's say if you want to bracket the current market price with a stop entry and a limit entry, then you can move this limit entry control before phantom stop. In that case, for example, this limit entry control, if you move it here, then the current market price is bracketed by a stop entry and a limit entry. That means for a sell order, if the current price goes below this stop entry, then your order will be placed at this price of 1.18450. But instead of going down first, if the current market price keep going above in the opposite direction of your trade and reaches limit entry price level, your sell order will be entered at a better price. If the order is entered at this price, from there to your phantom loss, the risk will be reduced and the reward will increase a lot. On the left side of stop entry control is stop entry description. You will notice here that it gives a detailed information about your trade. It says that this order you want to place a sell on a stop order 0.4 lots it automatically calculates how many lots you want to enter at which price, 1.18450, and if your order is entered at this price, then your risk will be 1 unit and your reward will be 1.78 units. This description is what we call phantom stop description. It gives detailed information about your stop. Here it says that stop loss is at 1.18550. If your order, once it is entered and the market price goes in opposite direction of your trade, you will lose a 10.8 pips, which is equivalent to $42.49. This risk right now is 1% of your account equity. Same way, this is profit target description. It gives detailed information about your profit target. Here it says that PT1, profit target 1, if the price moves in your order direction and reaches this price level, your order open for sell 0.4 lots will be closed at 1.18250. If your order is closed at this price level, you will make 19.2 pips in profit, which is equivalent to $74.78. That is equivalent to 1.76% of your account equity. You will see a difference that here the risk reward is 1.78 and here it shows 1.76%. That includes the bid-ask spread. Before you place this order, you can move any of this control to your liking. Let's say the price has moved further and I want to go short below this price. I can move stop entry control. Just click on the small square, click it and drag it to the new price location. If you move it here, you will notice that from your stop to this new price location, your risk will increase. Your risk will increase and your reward will decrease. So you will notice a change in lot size and your risk reward. Let's move it. Just drag it here to a new price location where you want to move your stop entry and click release it. It will move to this new location and you now notice that your lot size has reduced and same way your reward unit is also reduced. You will notice that let's move this one to a closer value. If you end the current phantom stop, you want to move to 1.18537. When you release the phantom stop control, it will magnet to the closest pip which for your order, which is 1.1854. Let's release it. You will notice that it magnets to the closest pip. If the magnet prices is true, then for a sell order, the stop entry and profit targets will get magnet lower. So 0.38, if I move it to 78, 1.18378, it will magnet to 1.1837. It will magnet lower in the direction of your trade. And phantom stop and hard stop will magnet higher. Before you place, you can always change a stop entry to a bracket entry, just as we discussed. If you want to bracket the current price by a stop entry and limit entry, then you can move the limit entry control before the phantom stop. Let's say if the price reaches here, you want to enter at a better price, then if this order is placed, the current market price is bracketed by stop entry and limit entry. Another feature of Holistic Order Manager is you can change these controls by simply dragging it to a new location. This is a sell order. If you want to change it to a buy order, then you can drag this phantom stop behind or below stop entry, and it will move all the controls accordingly. Here you will see now it has changed to a buy limit order because the current price is behind, the stop entry is behind current market. You can change all your controls to new location and decide where your stops, hard stop, profit targets you would like for your order. Let's bring it back to where it was. Here we want to make a bracket order. We like this order value. Below this I want to go short. If the price reaches above, I want my order to be entered at a better price. If price goes above high of this bar at 1.18550, I want to be out of the market. If we want to place this order, we can simply click OK button. OK will enter a phantom order at this price. Let's click it. As soon as you click, Holistic Order Manager will place a phantom order. Let's open a terminal window. Here there are a couple live orders, and we placed a order on Euro USD. Here you will see there is no pending stop entry or limit entry order. Usually you will see below the balance there is no order. But if you click select order to modify, Besides live order, here you will see a phantom order. Now, phantom order is in a holistic order manager a hidden order that is constantly monitored by holistic order manager. It is not visible on the broker's platform, and for that matter in the market, so nobody knows where your order is. Here in a holistic order manager we have only one order. If you want to split your order from the very beginning, you can define it here. You will know about a risk model and all these parameters in very detail in a separate video. But let's change and specify that we want our order to be split into two equal size half lots from the very beginning. If you say OK, now holistic order manager will define two orders. Let's say below here I want to go short. Then you will notice that for this order and this risk parameters, you can have 0.3 lots short on Euro USD pair. When the price reaches that level and you have a phantom order, this 0.3 lots will be broken down into two orders from the very beginning. One will be a 0.2 lot order with a profit target of 1.18150, and the second order of 0.1 lots with a profit target of 1.17950. For both this order, the phantom stop loss will be at 1.18470. So some traders like to split their orders from the very beginning. Say half lot, half order they want to close it at very reasonable profit target, and second order they want to let it run for more profits. They can do that by specifying how much risk they want to split into how many orders. Let's move the parameters. If we want to place this order, you can say OK, and it will be placed in holistic order manager as a phantom order. Right now you will notice that our previous order, which was phantom order, has turned into a live order. Let's see what this means. Each order has a three-part subdivided or separated by a column. The very first part has a P for phantom. P indicates a phantom order. If there is a number just like 30 and 29, it indicates a magic number for that order. This 30 is a magic number, for order number 549222. So the second part is the ticket number, and the third part is the currency pair on which that order is open. If there are two or more orders with same magic number, that indicates that these two orders are split from one single phantom order. They are split from the very beginning. Here you will notice from this order list that Holistic Order Manager requires only one instance of Expert Advisor running in the MetaTrader platform. Right now, in this platform, we have only one instance of Holistic Order Manager, but that instance monitors and controls all the orders on different currency pairs like USD CHF, Euro USD, as well as phantom orders. Let's open a phantom order for modification. When you click phantom order, it will open the modify controls for phantom order to be modified. As soon as you click, you will get modify order controls on the right side of cursor line. Here, just like order entry, a yellow color control is stop entry control. Your phantom stop is behind this aqua color control at the same price. So at 1.18470, you have a limit entry control as well as phantom stop. You can change it to a new value. This one is profit target 1, and this is where you have profit target 2 for your order. This is where hard stop for your order is placed. If you move this control, if you want to change the limit entry price and move to this new location, you can simply drag and drop it anywhere on the chart area. It will magnet to the new price, and it will magnet to the cursor line. As soon as you do that, you will notice that this order modify control is changed from white to red. That indicates that any one of these order controls prices has modified. You can change as soon as you change to new location. You will notice on the by highlighting on this control that this order has 0.2 lots. If you change it to a new location, you will see it will reduce or increase the lot size depending on the new parameters. So let's say you want your first profit target here. You can save this order, phantom order, with new prices by simply dragging this modify order control on the left side of cursor line on the chart area and drop it. As soon as you drop it, it will ask you that risk reward ratio is 0.73, which is less than 1%. Do you want to continue? If you say yes, then it will put a phantom order with these new prices. Let's say yes. If you click again and open that order, you will notice that your profit target for first lot has moved from here to here. The limit entry price, which was overlapping the phantom stop, has moved above phantom stop. That means it is not in a play. The order is not bracketed. It's simply a stop entry order. If you highlight on this, you will notice that the lot size is still 0.2 lots. And for the second split order, the lot size is 0.1. If you want to open a live order, you can click, let's say, Euro USD. If you click that, you know that this is a live order with ticket number 5492222. Let's click it. For a live order, there won't be a limit order because this is a live order. For live order, you will notice that stop entry control has changed into order open price. You cannot move this control. Your order is opened at 1.18384 price level. Currently it is going against your trade direction. Your profit target is at 1.18100. Phantom stop is at 1.18550 and hard stop is 1.18640. So holistic order manager will monitor this price level. If your bid price reaches your phantom stop, your order will be closed at a loss. You can change any of the three controls: hard stop, phantom stop, and profit target to a new value. Let's open terminal window. Here, for a Euro USD order, you will notice that your stop loss is 1.18640. This is the same value as a hard stop that is entered in the broker's platform. But broker's platform don't know your real stop, which is a phantom stop. This phantom stop is useful when a trader is suspecting that brokers or market participants are running their stops. In that case, Holistic order manager will make sure that the price are actually traded at this price level, only then your order will be closed. If you want to move your phantom profit target to a new location, you will notice that order modify control, which is white in color right now, will change to red, indicating that any one of these controls has moved. If you want to modify this live order, just like phantom order, you can simply drag the modify order control on the left side of cursor line on the chart area. As soon as you drop it, it makes the changes. You can make sure by clicking the order again. You will notice that your profit target, which was down below here, has moved to new price level. For live order, here in the bottom left corner, you will notice a detailed information about your trade. 0.2 lot indicates that your order is open for 0.2 lots. It shows that currently it's 11.2 pips in a loss, which is equivalent to 22.40 cents, $22.40. The red color indicates that the order is at a loss if it is closed right now. That will keep changing in real time. While Holistic Order Manager is monitoring your live order on Euro USD pair, at the same time it is also monitoring trades in USD CHF currency pairs, even though Holistic Order Manager is running in one chart. One instant is required to control any orders on different underlying as well as phantom orders. If you want to open order 5486221, which is on USD CHF pair, if you click on that order from a select order to modify list, Holistic Order Manager will change the current chart from Euro USD to USD CHF and open order number 5486221 for modification. Right now, while we were discussing this, you notice that the live order on Euro USD is closed at a loss. It has reached price above high of this bar where our phantom stop was. Okay, let's click this and notice that Holistic Order Manager has changed current chart from Euro USD to USD CHF and open order 5486221 for modification. You can also change other chart for analysis. Select symbol to change. If you click this, it will open a list of currency pairs that you can open. If you open USD JPY, if you click it, Holistic Order Manager will replace USD CHF chart by USD JPY. So this way you can select any currency pair and it will open chart for it. The list, the symbol list that you can trade depends on market watch. If you open the market watch window, right now there are 6 currency pairs. Whatever is visible here in market watch will be displayed in select symbol to change. For example, let's click right click and set Forex all. If you select Forex all, you will see more symbols. As soon as you do that, you will see all those reflected in select symbol to change. If you change it back to left symbols, that will get reflected here. For example, Holistic Order Manager persists all the information, all the details about live orders as well as phantom orders on your machine. So by mistake, if you close the platform or the platform crashes due to internal error or expert advisor error or issues or loss of internet connection, you will notice the internet connection here. Right now it is connected. If it is not connected, you won't see green and red connection symbol. If for any issue the expert advisor is closed, then whenever it is launched again, it will pick up from the last time where it crashed and won't lose any information. Let's try doing that. I'm closing this platform. I'm launching the platform which had live orders. It will check the license again and open the menu. Here you will notice that you haven't lost any information. It picks up from the last time where the platform closed or crashed. If let's say you have opened this order for modification, it will be displayed on the left side of the cursor line. All the controls will magnet to cursor line and you can modify it. At the same time, let's say you want to display order entry controls. You have it on left side on the chart. If you want to clear the order entry controls or order modify controls from your chart, you can do by clicking button R. R means reset. It will clear all the controls and will display only pure chart. Let's do it. Second thing, let's open order for modification. Here you have noticed that your price has moved against your order direction and you no longer want to have this phantom order. If you want to close this order or any live order open for modification, then you can press button C. C means close. If you press close, it will ask you that do you really want to close phantom order 0? If you say yes, it will close this order. You can verify looking into the list. Here there is no more phantom order. Okay, let's open another order, place another order. I want to open this phantom order. List, move to another symbol, that's a GBP USD. Place another phantom order. There are 2 phantom orders and 2 live orders. Let's open USD JPY chart and place a buy order. This will create a phantom order in the system. Now you notice that there is 1 phantom order and 6 different live orders. Here, if you click GBP USD pair and open the order, you notice that your order is in a profit for 1.1 pip, 9 pips. If you suspect that this price might continue go up and stop your order out, then you can move your hard stop to a break even. You can do that by pressing button BE. BE means break even. As soon as you click break even, your hard stop will move from 1.28970 to your order open price of 1.28822. You notice here that GBP USD order number 352, your stop loss is 1.28970. That will move to the order open price. Let's press break even. You will notice that your hard stop moved to your order open price of 1.28822. Let's move it back where it was and modify this order by simply dragging and dropping on the chart area. It has changed to a new stop level. Let's open GBP USD order again. GBP USD, there are 2 trades. Trade number 5492352 and 353. These 2 orders are created from same phantom order because they both have the magic number 31. Here if you highlight on this, you will know that order was placed by expert advisor, expert ID number 31, magic number 1, and this one also same. You will notice here that these both orders have magic number 31. If you want to break even both the orders created by same phantom order, then you can simply move your hard stop to order open price that is break even for both order simply by pressing shift key and pressing break even. Let's do it. Says, do you really want to set stop to break even for orders with magic number 31? You say okay. You will notice the stop loss for both these order will be moved to order open price, and your hard stop has moved behind order open price. Same way, if you want to close this order, you can close by pressing C. It will close just like we have seen in phantom order. It will close the existing live order open for modification on right side of cursor line in the workspace area. But if you want to close all the orders open by same magic number, you can simply do that by pressing shift key while clicking button C. C means close. That's as soon as we do that, Holistic Order Manager will close both these orders, two separate orders with same magic number in one go. I'm pressing shift and click. Ask, do you really want to close order with magic number 31? If I say yes, you will notice all these two orders will get closed at profit or loss, whatever it is. Two orders are closed. You can verify by looking in the order list. If you want to, if there are, let's say 4 or 5 phantom orders you have opened in 4 or 5 different underlyings, and you want to close all the phantom orders, you don't want to place or monitor any phantom orders, you can do that by pressing close all. If you press close all, it will ask you, do you really want to close all phantom orders? If you say yes, right now I'm saying no. If you say yes, all the phantom orders will be cleared from the system. Same way, let's say if you have to step out or away from your monitor to do some important things, and you don't want Holistic Order Manager to monitor any trades, you want your all positions flat, you want to close all the live orders as well as phantom orders, you can do simply by pressing shift key while clicking close all. If you do that, let's say shift close all, it will ask you, do you really want to close all phantom as well as open orders? If you say yes, it will clear out, close everything, and there won't be any amount at risk on your platform. Right now I say no. We know that we have closed few orders on GBP USD. If you want to see any closed order on your chart, you can do that by clicking button ST. ST means show trade. Let's click it. Here it shows a closed order. This arrow right pointing arrow shows that order was opened at this price level, and left pointing triangle shows the price level where your order was closed. A line connecting arrow with a triangle shows where the order was open and closed. Red arrow indicates that a sell order was opened at this price. If you see a green arrow, it indicates that buy order was opened at this price. A green triangle indicates that your order, which was sell order, was closed at a profit. If you see a red triangle, it indicates that your order, whether it is a buy or sell order, that order was closed at a loss. The same way, if you see a green line, it indicates that your order was closed at a profit, and a red line indicates your order was closed at a loss. Here you will see if you highlight on that arrow, it will give you information that order number 5492353 for 0.1 lot was a sell order open at 1.28822. Same way, if you highlight on triangle, it says that order number 5492353 0.1 lot was a sell order closed at 1.28793. If you highlight on the line, it gives detailed information that order number 5492353 0.1 lot sell order opened at 1.28822 and sell order closed at 1.28793. That order made 3 pips in profit, which is equivalent to $6. So this is how you can get a detailed information about closed order. If you want to clear your charts with this show trades, you can toggle that by pressing Shift while clicking ST button. Let's do that. It will clear your chart with triangles and arrow keys and lines. Holistic Order Manager can close a partial order. That means right now you suspect that this order might go and stop out at a loss. You want to reduce your risk. You want to close, let's say, half a lot, half of your trade at this price. So you want to close 0.1 lots out of 0.2 lots. You can close that. When you do that, the order number 5492350 will be closed up partially, which is 0.1 lot, and it will create a new order number with the same magic number and lot size of 0.1 lot. Let's observe it here. USD, Euro USD, current order 5492350 as 0.2 lots. Out of that, if you want to close 0.1 lot, you can right click and open text properties of modify order. In the text field, after the currency pair, you can enter the lot size that you want to close by saying minus 0.1. It indicates that you want to close 0.1 lots out of 0.2 lots. You say OK. When you have this value here, you can press close C and it will ask, do you really want to close 0.1 lot out of 0.2 lot from order number 5492350? If you say yes, you will notice that this order 350 will be closed 0.1 lots, and a new 0.1 lot order will be opened on Euro USD. Let's do it. Okay. You notice that order 350 is closed, and a new order on Euro USD, the same magic number is open, a 0.1 lot. So this is how you can close a partial lot in a current live order. Here you will notice that there are two orders on AUD USD pair. Both the live orders has the same magic number. That means they are both created as a split order from the very beginning from phantom order. If you want to change phantom stop, hard stop, or a profit target for both of these order together, all in one shot, you can do that. Let's click one order 5493088. Holistic Order Manager will open it for order modification in the workspace area. Here, if you want to change hard stop loss, which is 0.79050, to a new location right below this bar, to a new price of 0.7912 for both the orders, order number 5493088 and 5493089. Let's keep the terminal window also open. For both these order, the stop loss is 0.79050. For both, if we want the stop loss, hard stop loss, to be this new value 0.79120, you can simply press shift key while dragging and dropping this on the chart area. You will notice here that both the orders stop loss got changed to 0.7912. Same way for both the orders, if you want the profit targets to be changed to new value of 0.7941, you can simply press shift key while dragging and dropping modify order control. Here in the brokers platform, if we change profit target to 0.7941, it will change the profit target to 0.7951, which is 10 pips away from where your profit target will be. Let's do it. Shift, drag and drop. Here you will notice that both profit targets got changed to new value of 0.7951.